This is a basic chock box in which you incorporate the wires inside. The box itself will protect the connections from accidentally touching them or for any water penetration. Now I'm simply undoing the wires and also the clamps as well. Now there's nothing special about this particular box. Now this one is actually for my LED lights. And you simply put one side in, which is normally the 240 volts, and the other side you would have the item to drive your LED, normally a transformer. And this is the actual connection that you get on your 12 volt LED. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY, then please go on to my channel.